Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing SteamOS and Linux to see if which SteamOS is better for you. So let's start with the gaming experience. So the SteamOS, it has console-like, so it has big picture mode, while the Linux distros, it has desktop first, which means that you need to manual setup. So the SteamOS IS Linux is gaming focused, so it's best for console experience. Next to that is the software freedom. So the StreamOS, it is gaming focused, so that means it has limited for application. While the Linux distros, it has full desktop, so you can download any application on it. So Linux gives you the whole desktop, while StreamOS is gaming only. Next is the hardware support. So the SteamOS, the SteamOS, so it is Steam Desk optimized, while Linux distros is a broad hardware compatibility. So SteamOS loves Steam Deck, while Linux runs on anything. Next is the ease of use. So SteamOS, it is pick up and play, while Linux distros, it has learning curve varies. So SteamOS is a plug and play, while Linux is learn and grow. Lastly is the customization. So for SteamOS, it is limited to gaming focus, while Linux distros, it has endless possibilities. So if you want gaming console, SteamOS, want a computer, Linux. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!